Hi guys, this is Advait and today we are going to see some workouts using this PVC pipe. This is normal 5 feet PVC pipe, but we can do excellent workouts using this and they are helpful for our warm-up workouts or increasing our mobility also. So let's start together. Now you need to hold this pipe straight like this, okay? Ensure your elbows are locked and we are going to do 10 repetitions and we are going to raise our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ensure your elbows are straight and you are taking your hands behind as much as possible. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now you need to hold this pipe towards the ends. Okay. Elbow straight, and you need to take it back completely and touch it on your backside, and then take it ahead. Right. We will start. We will do 10 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So if you have any kind of a frozen shoulder problem or any kind of a shoulder pain, you just need to judge how much you can do. Do it slowly, okay? But eventually, this is going to help you to reduce your frozen shoulder problem also, or any kind of a stiffness that you have in your body. This is going to reduce that, okay? Now we are going to turn our arms. Now hold it towards the ends in the same way, and turn now from left this way, and after 10 repetitions we are going to turn it on the other side. Okay, so first I am going to turn it from my left to right and then from right to left, 10 repetitions each. Let us start. Turn it completely, keeping your elbow straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ensure your body is straight. 9 and 10. Now we'll go in the reverse direction from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep breathing normally. 9 and 10. Right? Now you need to hold your hands little closer. Okay? You need to raise your arm and you need to take it down behind your head till your shoulder level. So if you check from behind, this is the position. Okay? And you need to raise it and lock your elbows. Again, I'm going to show you from my front side and we will repeat for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to modify this exercise a little bit. What we are going to do is we are going to increase this distance a little bit so that we will be able to take this rod down and then make our elbow straight in downward direction. Okay? Okay, right? So let's start together. 10 repetitions. 1. Ensure your body is straight. 2. Neck straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, just relax your shoulders. Now we are going to proceed for next exercise. So again, hold this rod straight below your shoulders, arm straight. You need to bend down, and now you need to raise your arms in 90 degree and then take it down. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And similarly, you need to hold this rod now on your backside like this. So my palms are facing backward direction. Now I'm going to hold this and I'm going to raise my arms as much as I can by keeping my body straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Excellent, guys. Okay, now we'll work little bit on our front shoulders. So hold this rod like this. So my palm is now facing the sky, then other hand's palm is facing the floor. Now I need to turn my upper arm in this way. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm keeping my this arm very straight. I'm not basically moving this arm. I'm just moving my this arm. Okay, 2, 3, both the elbows are locked. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to do it in the reverse way. So reverse your arm positions and do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Now this exercise is effective only if you keep your arms straight and keep your elbows locked. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? Now we are going to work on our glute joints. So keep this rod straight in front of you. Now you need to raise your leg, okay, and then turn it in 90 degree and then take it down. Very simple. Let's do it 10 repetitions with each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Super. Now you place this rod on your shoulders, spread your arms, hold it like this, okay, firmly on your shoulders. Now in my legs I am keeping a width little more than shoulder width, and now I am going to twist my body on left and right side. Right? Let's do it for 10 times, and remember that while turning your body, you are not going to move your legs. Okay? So let's do it together. 10 repetitions on each side. 1. Turn your complete upper body. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now keep this rod as it is. Okay, now maintain shoulder width in your legs, or you can even maintain little less width. Okay, so this is called as hip width. Your toes are pointing outwards, elbows are not locked, they are little bent or little soft. So I'll show you from side view like this. And you need to bend down in 90°. And by doing this, you need to push your hip back and front. Right? We'll do it together for 10 times. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Keep your back straight. 4, 5, 6, 7. You can observe little stretch in your legs. 8, 9 and 10. Excellent. Now you need to spread your legs. We are going to do side bends. Okay, so maintain width, considerable width in your legs, almost double the shoulder width, and we are going to turn sideways like this and try to touch your arm to your ankle. Okay, so try to approach your ankle. If you are not able to reach your ankle level, that's okay, but you need to avoid bending forward and doing this, right? So keep your body straight and let's start 10 repetitions on each side. 1, knees should remain straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we'll proceed for leg swings. So for leg swings, what you need to do is you need to take support of this rod. Okay. Now raise your leg. Now my leg is not touching on the floor, and I'm going to swing it in forward and backward direction by keeping it straight. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now you can move the same leg on in side direction, lateral directions. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we'll repeat same thing with other leg. Now I'm taking support of this rod. I'm lifting my left leg and I'm going to move it in forward and backward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now in lateral direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Excellent guys. Now we are going to do calf raise. Again we are going to take support of this rod. Okay, stand straight and we are going to lift our heels in the maximum range and then take it down. Right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So excellent guys, we are done. So these 5 workouts are really effective. If you have any senior citizen in your home, so you can recommend them these workouts. They are going to work well with them also. Okay, and this is going to reduce overall stiffness in the body, and it will improve mobility in different joints. So we have tried to cover entire body doing these 5 workouts. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye bye.